Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2016 Dodge Journey SXT, stock number E1889PA. 44,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report, billet silver metallic in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 3-month, 3,000-mile maximum care coverage, with 24-hour roadside assistance and car rental allowance. This Journey seats 7, cloth interior, rear heat and air control to make sure everybody's comfortable. Middle row seats will fold flat, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 2. Rear wiper, washer, and defrost for excellent visibility. 50-50 split folding rear seat. Fold slide easily, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This SXT has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges, cruise control, touchscreen for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. 3-zone temperature control, driver, passenger, and rear heat and air. Hard keys below for the things you use most often. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those media devices. Additional storage under the front passenger seat, and a spacious glove box with the owner's material. Under the hood, this Journey has a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, 172 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. All of your fluid points are marked in yellow, so it's a quick glance. Anything you want to check on your own. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 19 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 25 on the highway, and approximately 50% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.